You must have noticed that a lot of ointments contain sulfur. However, are you aware that which sulfur it is talking about? Did you know that there are more than one type of sulfur, even if you don't see it on the periodic table? They are the allotropic forms of sulfur. So, what are these allotropic forms exactly? Let us read about their types, properties and uses. We can find sulfur in a number of structures in the same physical state. That is, it has various allotropic forms. However, the most important crystalline structures are rhombic sulfur or alpha sulfur and monoclinic sulfur or beta sulfur. We can find the shape of rhombic sulfur at a temperature below 96 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, monoclinic sulfur occurs at a temperature above 96 degrees Celsius. Now let's learn about the preparation and properties of rhombic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is prepared by dissolving powdered rolled sulfur in carbon disulfide at room temperature. Rolled sulfur is nothing but form of rods or sticks of sulfur made by casting molten sulfur. The mixture of powdered sulfur and carbon disulfide is then filtered. The filtrate is then kept in a small beaker covered with a filter paper. The carbon disulfide will slowly evaporate, leaving behind the large octahedral crystals of rhombic sulfur. Now let's learn about the properties of rhombic sulfur. It exists as yellow and translucent crystals with a melting point of 385.8 Kelvin and a density of 2.08 gram per centimeter cube. Rhombic sulfur is stable only at temperature below 96 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in carbon disulfide and it is insoluble in water but dissolves to some extent in benzene, alcohol and ether. Now let's move to the preparation and properties of monoclinic sulfur. When rhombic sulfur is heated slowly in a porcelain dish till it melts, the molten sulfur is then cooled slowly. During the cooling process, a solid crust will be formed over the surface. As this crust is being formed, two holes are made in the crust. The molten sulfur is then poured out of these holes. The crust is then removed. On the lower side of the crust, long needle-shaped crystals of monoclinic sulfur are formed. Now let's discuss about the properties of monoclinic sulfur. These are transparent and amber crystals having a melting point of 393 Kelvin and density of 1.98 gram per centimeter cube. Monoclinic sulfur is found to be soluble in carbon disulfide and it is unstable at temperature below 369 Kelvin. So when you cool the monoclinic sulfur below 369 Kelvin, it changes into rhombic form. And at 369 Kelvin, both the monoclinic and rhombic sulfur are stable. So this temperature is called transition temperature. This is the shape of rhombic and monoclinic sulfur. Several other modifications of sulfur containing 6 to 20 sulfur atoms per ring have been synthesized in the last 2 decades. In cyclo S6, the ring adopts the chair form and at elevated temperatures, that is approximately 1000 Kelvin, S2 is the dominant species and it is paramagnetic like dioxygen. Students, kindly practice these questions in your notebook.